Reap, and this is another on foot look at the Sia Collective CV 0.02, aka the Culture Vulture, and this is the birthday orange colorway. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and watch my unboxing slash review. As you know, well, if you watch the video, this was like an exclusive birthday colorway for the Sia Collective designer slash CEO slash owner, Devlin Carter. But he decided to release two of the colorways that he wore. And this is the first one, or one of the two, I should say. The birthday orange. I like this one. This is my favorite one out of the two. But I was able to get both. So yeah, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss part 2 of this on foot series. But look at the fly net, that multicolored. It reminds me of like Clemson. Any college fans out there, Clemson Tigers, I think this would go crazy with some Clemson gear. But I'm a Hurricane fan, you know, it's all about the U. So I won't be buying anything to match these as far as Clemson goes. But yeah, this was like the first thing I thought of when I saw these. But yeah, these are crazy. Comfort wise, of course, any Sia shoe, you're gonna get that comfort. I don't know what it is about it, because it's not like this. I think it's the insole, I wanna say, or maybe like it's the foam sole, actual midsole that he uses. But if anybody has a pair, you definitely know what I'm talking about as far as comfort. So you can see, no toe prints, so you know it's not too small. As far as sizing, I'm gonna choose 12. Sometimes I can get away with 11.5 depending on the shoe. And this shoe, of course, is a size 12. And I have no issues. I have toe room. I don't know if you can see. I think my toe's like right here. So overall, man, definitely a great shoe. Eye catcher, so you get like a further look. But yeah, man, I'm definitely a fan of these. As always, it's just something about this color. I don't know, multicolor gets me every time. You'll probably figure that out as my channel progresses and you start to get familiar with my thought process on buying shoes. But anything with multicolor, like a solid color plus the multi accents with the fly net, I'm all for it. Like the biggies, like I said, that was my favorite drop from Sia to date. And this birthday pack is like definitely a close second. As far as the lacing, I did the, I think this is the reach around. Look at his tutorial on Instagram. Tutorial, I said tutorial, wow. Tutorial, his lacing tutorial on Instagram. And this is the reach around. It's not bad, especially with the laces, the factory laces this time. They're similar to the thick rope laces, but you know, it's not the same width. But they're a lot better than like those old string laces he was using. So I like the upgrade. So yeah. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Oh, let me switch the camera. All right, before I switch to the flash, this was requested in my previous on-foot video to do like a bird's eye view. So here we go. I hope this is what you were asking for. Get a little close up. Yeah, these look so crazy on camera. Alright, I'm gonna switch to the flash. As you can see, 3M reflective upper on that fly net. Crazy shoe, man. I'm definitely a fan of the brand. And I'm not stopping my Sia collection anytime soon. I know he has like the Vulture skates coming out, as well as the version 2. And he has some high top Vultures coming out as well. So he has a lot of stuff he's been working on, and I'm excited to see how everything turns out. Let me get back in the dark so you can see that flash a little bit more. That reflective. So as always, it's been your boy E. Like I said, go ahead and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Road to 300, and after we reach that 300, giveaway coming. It's definitely gonna be worth it, I promise. And hit that notification bell, so once I drop this part 2 of the birthday pack on foot review, you won't miss it.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.